Good day, beautiful people. I'm Sam Hildy. Ay, Sam Hildy. Sorry. Combination para dalawang pogi tsaka malakas. Blooper. Ayan. So, good day, beautiful people. We're here today to do a bike check review with Mott from MKABM Productions. I'm very proud to bring you this Nukeproof Mega Aluminum 2020 29er. For the front suspension, we have this RockShox Yari with 170mm of travel. For the rear suspension, we have this RockShox Super Deluxe Select R, okay, with 160mm of travel. Now let's go for the cockpit. So for the cockpit, we have this Nukeproof bar together with Sam Hill signature hand grips. For the brakes, we have this SRAM guide tee with 200mm of SRAM rotor. For our group set, we have this SRAM SX Eagle 12 speed, and we have our customized pedals from DMR V8 Fool's Gold edition, and the saddle with a Nukeproof Horizon. We have our Descent Brand X for our dropper post. That's all, beautiful people. Please like, subscribe, and hit love for our OJ Adventures channel, together collaboration with MKABM Productions. Shout out. Peace out, people.
Nakakatakot na siya. Hindi ka masarap lang dito?
I-ano mo na lang, ano pre, i-edit mo lang yung iba, no? Kasi sinabi ko lastly, ano eh.
May mix kaya. Langya ka.
Ayan, lambot na.